Well, scientists are predicting that a new ocean could be created as Africa gradually splits into two separate parts in the future. Researchers are warning that if a crack on the continent continues so large and separate, it will see countries like Zambia and Uganda have their own coastlines. But that could happen millions of years from now. CDTN's Nico Dimba tells us more.
The colossal breakup that's being predicted is associated with the East African Rift System. This is one of the largest rifts in the world. It stretches downward for thousands of kilometers through several countries in Africa, including Ethiopia, Kenya, the Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Zambia, Tanzania, Malawi, and Mozambique. Geologists have noted that this complex tectonic process will make room for a totally new body of water millions of years from now. This rift system means that the African plate is splitting into two plates. They are the smaller Somalian plate and the larger Nubian plate. Scientists say they are pulling away from each other at a super sluggish snail's pace of millimeters per year. Two parts of land in Kenya have already begun to split over recent years, with the two masses now so far apart that a whole new ocean will run through the divide way into the future.
There is something we call isostatic adjustment. Isostatic adjustment occurs when there is something we call the melting of glaciers. Once there is melting of the glaciers, it creates that imbalance in weight between the continent and the ocean floor. So once there is an imbalance between the continent and the ocean floor, then you expect there will be that movement to balance itself, because naturally the ocean plate is heavier than the continental plate.
Currently, Africa is bounded by the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Mediterranean Sea. According to geologists and climate change experts, the three tectonic plates are moving away from each other at different speeds.
It will occur, give or take, in the next 45 to 50 million years to come. So in the next 45 to 50 million years to come, then you expect that split to fully occur, and there will be a shift in terms of countries moving towards the east and countries moving towards the west. And something that you have to realize is that climate change has played a huge role, because this movement is basically caused by other forces, such as the movement of the molten, which is within the mantle, and even the core.
According to UK-based website IFL Science, the phenomenon of rifting can be traced back at least 138 million years, when South America and Africa were divided into two separate continents. Nick Mudimba, CGTN.